Welcome back. In the previous lesson, I shown you how to install WSL in our Windows. Now with that said, we are ready to install our Redis into our Ubuntu terminal. Now what we have to do is that we need to simply type the following commands to install Redis. Basically, if you see that this are the same commands that was there even in the Linux environment. Anyway, let's go to the install on Windows. Now type the following commands into our terminal. First, what you have to do is open our Windows preview. So you can click on start and click on the terminal preview that we have installed in the previous lesson. Now this is my terminal preview. Now go to your Ubuntu. In the Ubuntu terminal, type the following commands that was there here. The first thing is we need to type this, some curl and followed by the following packages. Let's copy and paste it here and press enter. Now it's asking me for the password. Type the following password, whatever you have used at the time of installation. Press enter. Next is this. Copy this and go to our terminal, paste it here. Press enter. Now we will update it. Sudo apt-get update. Press enter. Wait for a couple of minutes until you finish the whole process. Done. And once you update that, next type the following command, which is sudo apt-get install. Go to our terminal and paste it. Press enter. Now press Y to install the packages. Wait for a couple of minutes until you finish the whole process. Done. We have successfully installed the Redis. Now lastly is we need to execute the following command to start the Redis server. Let's copy this and paste it here. Press enter. Now you can see that message, starting Redis server. Now you can test your Redis server by connecting to Redis CLI. Type this, Redis CLI. Press enter. And here you go, you can give you something like the localhost and the port number is 6379 is where the port actually our Redis server is running. Now let's type ping, and if you got pong, which means that our Redis server is running successfully. Now let's exit this by pressing the Ctrl C, and which will actually exit from this command prompt. Cool, right? Now let's clear this using the CLS. I think it is clear. Yep. Now what we will do is that we see like how to start our server. Now let's stop our server. In order to stop our server, we can simply type Redis CLI shutdown. Done. With that, we have successfully shut down our Redis server. Cool, right? So this is how we can start and stop our server. In the next lesson, we will discuss more on the Redis. I will see you on that. Until then, happy learning.